Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And today, if you see, again, as I said, the market, chances are that the market could not go up very well also from here. And if you see, the market could not go up from here. Again, I hope you would have saved your money. Over here also at the starting, there was no price action in the start. Market just gave a spike and after that it continued to move down. Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow, right? Now again, market has consolidated a lot over here, so chances are tomorrow could be a good trending day in Bank Nifty if certain conditions are met. Now talking about over here, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P, all of them are down 1%, which has just happened recently, right? If you see Dow Jones futures started crashing after we've closed, right? Or started crashing very much after we've closed. So again, something is up. It looks like there is some problem with a Japanese bank, but again, we cannot really be sure of the news over here until and unless things get very clear tomorrow, right? So tomorrow morning, again, there will be a lot of articles which will tell you what exactly happened and why were the markets down so much, US markets down so much, so you can read those, right? Anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? Again, 47,400, this area that I marked yesterday, below which we were going to take a selling position, still stays the same. So tomorrow also below this level, once we go below 47,420, right, and start making negative price action, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a short trade over here. I'm sorry. Yes, and then your first target will be 47,200 and then 47,050 on the downside. These will be your two targets for tomorrow, which you can follow if the market breaks 47,420, right? We've moved up 20 points from here because it is okay to do so because market has tested this level a lot of times. So now, if market comes to break this, two things can happen. Either the market will break this and come up very fast, which means it will trap all the sellers on the downside and then start to move down, or it will break this and start making negative price action below this level, and then we will see a very good sell off till lower levels, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. At higher levels, 47,700 is going to be a very important area, right? Actually, 47,660 to 700 is going to be an important area, and if the market goes above 47,700 and starts sustaining about for 5 to 10 minutes, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade from there also till the target of 47,950 to 48,000 on the upside, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. But one thing to note is that if let's say we open with a gap up, right, which doesn't look like a chance, what can happen, which looks like the price action is indicating, is that maybe we might see profit booking after opening with a gap up. So let's say we open somewhere near 47,700, 750, all these levels. Maybe we might see a very good sell-off coming in from higher levels itself, right? Because the price action is telling us that if we open with a gap up, chances are maybe some people might book their profit, some big institutions. But again, it doesn't look like it. But yes, please keep that in mind. Do not buy blindly at higher levels. If you want to buy, let's say if you open with a gap up above 47,700, then wait for a pullback till 47,600 and then wait for a positive price action to be made over here, and then only then go ahead and take a buying position over here, right? If we open with a gap down below 47,400, wait for a little bit of pullback till 47,450 to 500 levels. If we are again seeing that market is taking good resistance from this area and then starting to make negative price action, then we can take a short position above 47,400 also, until unless we are below 47,500. And then once this, let's say, gap is filled after opening with the gap down, then we can again expect the market to move down good from there, right? Talking about Nifty, if you see over here, for Nifty, the level that will be important tomorrow is now going to be 22,500. Now, yes, yesterday it was 22,525 to 530 for us, but now it is 22,500. If we start sustaining about 22,500, then you can see a very good rally till 22,600 very easily from there. You don't need to wait for this high to break tomorrow because a lot of sellers have already accumulated over here. So if we stay about 22,500 for 10 minutes, and if you're seeing that the buying is coming in candles like these, then you can think about taking a buying position about 22,500 itself and till the target of 22,600 on the upside. On the downside, 22,400 is going to be a very important level. And today also I told you that it would be much better to take a selling position in Bank Nifty as compared to Nifty. And yes, that way, as I said, because if Nifty you would have taken a selling position over here, looking at the price negative price action in 5-minute chart, which was again not a very good price action, but still if you would have taken this trade over here, you would have hit your stop loss by the end. Or if you would have bought a put option, definitely it would have lost a lot of value by the end, right? So again, just uh, it's okay sometimes. It's okay sometimes we do hit stop losses also, but always remember to keep your stop losses small, right? Hitting a stop loss is not a problem. Hitting a big stop loss which is much more than your risk tolerance is a problem. So tomorrow below 22,400, if we start sliding also, then we do not need to wait for price action in Nifty, and then we can think about taking a short trade till 22,360 first of all, and then 22,320 to 280. And this is a 40-point range which can act as a support anywhere over here. But yes, good thing would be to book your profits till 22,320 over here, right? Again, both Nifty and Bank Nifty can move down tomorrow good, but Bank Nifty still has a clearer range as compared to Nifty. So if you want to sell, better thing would be to taking a sell position. Better thing would be to take a sell position in Bank Nifty. And for Nifty also, if you want to buy, Nifty can give you very good momentum on the upside over here, because Nifty doesn't has a lot of big resistances on the upside, and it doesn't even has a lot of sellers over here, right? So the sellers will be fast to exit Nifty, not so much in Bank Nifty, because a lot of sellers would still be waiting for 48,000, basically this high to break over here, and then they will start to panic. But in Nifty, if their panic will start as soon as 22,000, Nifty starts going about 22,500. So if you want to buy in Nifty, because that will be a much better alternative as compared to Bank Nifty. But if you want to sell, then you can sell in Bank Nifty. That would be a much better alternative as compared to Nifty. Maybe Nifty might also start to move down very fast like this, but again, you cannot really tell. What's going to happen. We can just trade on probability. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.